Do you want to make money on the side without showing your face, keeping inventory, or spending hours online? Let me show you how print on demand can literally make you passive income while you sleep. Print on demand lets you design shirts, mugs, hoodies, journals, you name it. And when someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. You never touch a box and you get paid for your creativity. And yes, you can start completely free. Here's how it works in 3 steps. Step 1, go to a free platform like Canva to create simple designs. Text quotes, funny sayings, or trendy phrases work best. Step 2, create a free seller account on a site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy connected with Printify or Printful. These platforms print, pack, and ship everything for you. Step 3, upload your design, set your price, and share your store link on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram to drive traffic. Each time someone buys, you keep the profit difference, sometimes $5, $10, even $20 per sale. And here's the best part, you can use free tools to come up with design ideas and trending quotes automatically. So that's how you can start earning with print on demand, no inventory, no shipping headaches. If you're going to try this, hit subscribe because I drop new ways to make money online every week. And remember, consistency is key.